Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am talking about another McGrath palette. This is the Bronze Seduction Mothership number 5, and I know how expensive the McGrath eyeshadows can be. So if you guys are interested in purchasing her palettes, just wait for the sales. Like, she always have really great sales, and you can use coupons on top of her discounted prices most of the time. So I essentially got this palette for like 35% off, which is a huge steal. And this was one of the palettes that I had decided to purchase. I purchased most of her Mothership's palettes already. I'm just only missing one. But in any case, let's just go over how I achieved my eye makeup look that I'm currently obsessed over today. So the first shade that I decided to use as a transition shade, and it's called Entrapment, this gorgeous brown shade. It has a nice reddish kind of undertone. Just gonna quickly swatch that. It's so soft. So that's Entrapment. Super pigmented. Essentially only used about 4 shades to create my entire makeup look today, and I actually really like how it turned out. So I took a long time just blending out and smoking out that particular shade on my lids, and I like that you can diffuse the colors. So I had a chance to use my new Sonia G brushes. So these brushes are pretty much travel size ones. So this is the Kiyaki set, I believe. I will provide all of the information down in the description down below, but I decided to play with them today. A lot of people recommend that Sonia G brushes pick up the McGrath eyeshadow formula really well, so that's why I decided to pick up the travel size one just to see how I will like it. I think these brushes are really nice. I want to invest in more of higher quality brushes for the McGrath eyeshadows so that I am getting more bang for the buck. I have a lot of other brushes, but not really higher end qualities like this, and I am glad that I had decided to purchase them. I love the wooden handles, and I don't have any small travel size eyeshadow brushes, by the way, so these are really nice to have. Let's get back to my eyeshadow application process. The second shade that I decided to use was the Rose Gold 005. I decided to go in with this rose gold shade, and this is such a gorgeous shade. It is so reflective. It just has so much glitter. So this shade is of course one of her special formula Blitz Astral, I believe, shades. But this is a very gorgeous color, and I have that all over my eyelids today, and it's just so gorgeous. And then for my highlight, inner corner highlight and brow bone, I decided to go in with Skin Show Divine Glow. This is a gorgeous vanilla shade with a nice shine to it as well. Just swatches so nicely, super pigmented. And then this is off camera, but I decided to use the Bronze Blaze shade for my center of the bottom lower lash line, and this is a gorgeous bronzy color, like bronze gold color. And just to help tie in the look together, I decided to apply false lashes D313. Of course, most of you guys don't have to if you don't want to, but you know, it's not like I have lashes anyway, so I just wanted to amp up the look a little bit by just including eyelashes, and I absolutely am in love with the eye makeup look that I have created. So overall, this is a gorgeous palette to have if you guys love bronzy colors and, you know, like daring colors like this red one, which I'm excited to play with later on, and this beautiful gorgeous Astral Luna Gold, and this green duochrome shade, the VR Fire Opal. It has a green and shift to it. It's so gorgeous. I'm excited to use that one. So overall, I really love this palette, and I can't wait to do more looks using this palette in the future. So I'm still happy that I had decided to purchase the Midnight Sun Mothership number 6 palette as my very first Mothership palette, and I have no regrets at all because this is such a gorgeous palette. But I am glad that I had decided to pick up the Mothership number 5 as well, because this is very unique, and I just love all of the shades that are in here. If you are a bronzy sort of eyeshadows lover with if you're into very dramatic bronzy shades, this is for you. This is by no means is wearable. You can of course make it look wearable, but this is not for everyday wear, I don't think. This is definitely a palette if you want to go out and, you know, have fun with. This is definitely it. I think Midnight Sun is still more neutral compared to this one, but of course, you know, to each his own. If you guys find that purple is your everyday neutral color, then, you know, you do you, girl. So I have no complaints about that. Well, I'm just going to show you guys the rest of the palettes that I had decided to pick up because I'm excited about them, and I'm just gonna quickly go over them. So the first palette I have here is Divine Rose number 1. So I also have number 3, Subversive. Gorgeous unique palette. And then Mothership number 2, the Sublime palette, the one with the forest green color. And of course Mothership number 1, the Subliminal palette with that gorgeous blue shade. And last but not least, the Divine Rose number 2, the one with Sexual Terrestrial shade. I love this color. It's like a nice green, pink, and like gold shade. It's just a very unique shade that I'm excited to play with. And this hot pink is also calling my name. So a gorgeous palette. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on the Sonia G travel size brushes as well. I also picked up the microfiber I guess brush towel. I don't have any special towels for my brushes, so this is a nice microfiber. I love the bunnies on this because that's my Chinese zodiac sign, so I decided to purchase it just for that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.